Medasi pa. Na and then akoya October month ya and breast cancer month. Obama advice bi ana.
No credit is almost say busumi we say no ma ya de hwe no fo. Mesra mo bob bra 3 years munyai mame. Mesra mo obu ane bra mu fie de shensu e chocolate drink.
I dey can say bob price here for 3 years.
That be no say bra no. Obo ne nne we years obi hatem. Obi kwa don hatem mu fifre no de akoto. Ni nyina na ma ne ba nti mewura wo hwam ye wo tie me mesra mo. Bra no mu nsi wate. Mesra wa si.
Ye fia wo horo a nsuo ni say
chocolate drink.
Hey, wokasa wo.
Osutio. Black mama mo.
Kasa.
En samu sisi. Na sister Sandy me sheda show her be na de. Me hu said dade bi twan dade.
I dey like be.
Mamo.
Wampa.
Me mamo na metia no.
Wampa.
John so de me rough.
Bo me nkomo.
Ja, me hu asem bi na me hu ya na me se me. Se ba be fa me so amenya asem pa de me twam Yesu di mu. Ampa me de ba ya na Papa Bilson so se wo wen. Wo so yini che. Me se I was any you free me.
Edit ho no.
E ho na my edit.
Straight up.
Me nyanka.
Straight up.
Nti asem kwa konkon sani te se me a opeti me nyanka.
Papa be fa China ne na efre.
Me oh. Wo me fa den. Na LG for no mon ton fon.
Ochina me oche be ko mu shop.
Ya chichi bi ma bill so. It's bill me nyanka. Me nyamanka sa asem.
Okay.
Nti me ye free.
All right.
But black would when you to where who say a lot of fake people are in this industry. To the point to say black say unye ye bibi na chia omuntimi country. Say na black wait me Africa Sunday ene adiwe ya nko ye nka ye ni say ya. But fake fans, well, no, I'm say, yo, bro, yo, sis, chale, the be, chale, you, I swear you do all. So now, the end, you do go. Almost the thing, I think I can't industry know. Because Obi had dinner and ye far. What the main cast of comment to social media. Freno, Onya, and you now abono can and you need do. Nyum to Nibia, nyum yanede. But can create.
That's right.
Oh, maybe a hanka instrument house coma. Or hanka cake no men dada omo na you do us no nye
okay
it's nipa ni mbula wonti ase it's omo nka no I think fake people ne do so obi ade na enkoye kro mu ntimi nka
that's right
eno na amasa o ka no kakra bia na afa ho tan o ka no kakra bia yeso ye hater bada bi we ask the order na ka no kra it's me say me tie de metwimo ni mu a me so me ya de anya amuntwi
ye bebo ho ama na pai
me ya de anya amonka san ye de ti wi ase me ya de anya o sister Sandy ja ade we de o ye wa anya ni mesom it's me so me twimu amon fa ne 10 na monka ntu ye to aso a se na no me kan say calibers the picture bia to aso wa ware man kan che o se onko he na esini chia me
ade wo kohwe ye no
esini
oh how
e frame
oh how
e frame se me catch us say almost sad there no omo ye no omo hwenjai there are different strategies there are different ways about media promote bibi enyu mo sinio video bra onko he kwan ye be fa ebia so de kawato aye se calibers won say esini but in just had no
say womo de wet appetite
oh me wet me appetite me to come de me dada Ghana de no yete ha say ye nya ye pe enti wo ye ni ye aye beto enya wo to na wo de expensive
suspense
etona wo de bato ha da shake ama video ni abehwe no bra 2% say etona be ma hu bi da na de to aba beje wo ho omunya isa ade no e ma na wa da ye somebody break my heart no so nkwe na esini moja ne betu obi ese asemasi e pred ne Russia hospital onkwe na esini ene nei ka wa mua wa hye say calibers aware nkwe ha esini
just a movie
keke now you can consult 10 million can consult him Ebenezer it's hot like 2000 above and it's popping like chicken vandaloo what I do can consult we breme
okay
what's sister Sunday and them mini sekuru nchiro mebo na mso we ben wo crowd full cry me am for say na Bob Risky shase say na Bob Risky e shase we chrome ha say and all the chicken vandaloo na mso mini pan no mechanic say enye ba bibia ni omo say ade na eben etwi nanim say Ghana phone say boy ni makeup Ochi Pons watch ni ti dia tare ho ni ade nti no em say yenya ni studio bi ma na me bisa ne say oh ya Bob Risky strategy ana say oh no em fan say obu ha makeup na enefe e bia matchi ono so hu ne say otwi e beboa na watchi
ba ye o mema makeup
o say
ye o mema makeup
e powder white powder
okay
but no Ochi Pons
anga
Ebenezer yeah Ochi I'm for say na Bobrisky shas into a question of the day keke na me bisa Eben say Bonini me nua be ma no wonim say o feel me miss me feel Eben be question na be na no Eben me fra make us o feel we mu adumi ntimi nka be ne no makoyi atom into onya no say o ye Bobrisky ba o me hu ene Bobrisky hu ne kro chen oba Eben so start teach ani me ha me hu because aba hada me bisa no so onye gay ba ne wo twu ani magedien eno no musimi mbisa emfa emma womo na ya to aso a ene no de bia meta ba amanfo abam within the week no I am ebo amanfo abaso ene de mebo na baso ye afia a window truly black girl no yada woni so
patch say
Ghana for that girl ne so she's too good. This girl can rock stages with Beyonce, just a international artist bia fe gina so
onisa ko the latest no
Chale ide go on wa girl ne ya ade girl we say odni to nwum bia so a hit song na me kan si so Ghana ha o po betimi abo live band 3 hours non stop fia me challenge obi po onye bi na menka Reala ya dio girl you free no for ya de reala or energy my witness in the performance alia français.
That's right.
But efia a window wow was so betimi near efia gina stage live band 5 hours any live band do me mpe live band choristers cockroach me mpe
so nya backing vocalist
obenya backing vocalist but your live band will be a hot to kwa no home so efia live band ne or to abeka say ne cassette as ni CD as ye bo radio so that live band you beto a won nsese nyo auto tune for no efia ye very good no ni pa ba kwa mahu se Ghana yada e won so it's a challenge na me true girl no so we industry for so many years black but we industry match a question of the day why do you think efia a window girl ninju baby was so juicy say or a superstar international but I was like by now no omo ye kuchele bi o represent Ghana even Nigeria phone post almost so moti wa savage and me so moti wa savage no ntimi ye fia no oh black asema making wa wo mu acha se me bo aka se Sunday obua
oh we are good almost you good
but tiwa savage ntimi e fia window black a challenge na me bi
our live band not miming
and not miming live band and for Jeba live band but no credit need na ho afia me sample for gentini afia and na world women strong day me na me ye
ntina wa pink no
me na me ya mama no it we challenge me bie mopin from wa betimi ne afia akọ
eya se yi entade ne yi boso ya na mo nso mo yi mo boso
o say
yenko yanim
ma mempon me who you boso ma me boso
be some say like me bia koso papi nti yi boso ya na mo nso mo yi mo boso
me encha tip to lane for
heavy wa pa
boys no mutie ye pa sek wa mugum oko St Francis shoe collection or La Paz ono so abie mu puha me pon afa ho atompa bo ma me hu ye bra me kotom percent so ma me nchi abra no St Francis shoe collection or La Paz market
na o wini award no be bia wo tomo no oko hostel price na e de ma na ya
oh kokoro na was on 70% I'm since when
so we say we award winner
me award winner
one Ghana ma okra
no both fruit and so the man 50 pesos ba me semu a wa chiri na me nyanko china makease me ba ho anopa wele no store one city
yeah
menye oil
Eddie Junior says no challenger Ghana's best multimedia. Catherine Boache says Sister Sunday be a guy.
That's me original.
Fubila Emmanuel says I love you.
I love you too.
Cynthia Okra says hello.
Hi baby. Black girl be so feel pa.
Sir.
Your friend Obeku Ventures.
Obeku Ventures.
On a style or say say na ye tuntum no mini ho abegina ho se person no. O hese na na agina jumi anim na I say you were blinking and all that. I mean Chami P Eugene Araba Samson. On na de concern breme na Papa Bills and so SQ ama so I fine African at na chi etwa egu na ene na me din sekura me sorry o say
I bet say ne wan ko gempa
say na am for je me me mpan hwe ni mo am for je
ko jun sokoda Puma energy eno ene papa no
Puma
energy eno ne papa no
but say na ka Puma no o say Puma for mama petrol be 3 gallons so
3 days
mama Puma no
3 days so because 3.5 3 days so
and Puma me so